Hello viewers, let's use the equation that we have on the board to learn how to integrate a polynomial. And the question says that we should integrate this, okay? Now, this expression that we have here is the same thing as the integral of this sub x is the same thing as x power 1 over 2. If I apply the law of indices, minus dx minus, when I open the bracket, this will become what? Minus 1 over sub x. And when I simplify it all, this is the same thing as x, okay, power minus 1 over 2. These two things are the same, dx, okay? Then minus times plus will give us minus. So we now have minus the integral of 7x power 0 dx. So when I go further, the next thing that I will do now is I will take the coefficient of this to the other side. We will now have 1 integral of x power 1 over 2 dx minus 1 integral of x power minus 1 over 2 dx minus 7 integral of x power 0 dx, which is 1 multiplied by x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 1 multiplied by x power minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over minus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 7 multiplied by x power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus what? 1. Then plus the constant. Okay? So when I simplify this, we will have x power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. How I got 3 over 2 is what? 1 over 2 plus 1. It will give us 3 over 2. Minus x power 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 minus 7x plus the constant. Okay? So when I go further, remember that what we have here is over. This over now means divide, right? So when I simplify this, it will give us 2 over 3 x power 3 over 2 minus, if I simplify this, it will give us 2 x power 1 over what? 2 minus 7x plus c. That is the answer. But you can still express this answer as 2 over 3 x power 3 over what? 2 minus 2 sub x minus 7x plus what? C. So this one is correct and this is correct. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. But don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.